Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a Lunar Blue Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package with active curve illuminations, adaptive high beam assist, illuminated star in the grille, appearance package with 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, a silk beige espresso brown interior, eucalyptus trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down third-row seating, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has 38,625 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.